Man, I got a treat for you guys. There is a sale that's going to be going on October 4th. There's the flyer. I'll show it. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of all what's there. And Terry from STS Decals is going to show us inside some of these boxes. And there is a lot of kits to look at. What we got here, Terry?
Well, I mean, these are started.
So this is the started bunch.
I mean, you got that motorcycle. It's got a nice paint job on it. Aftermarket wheels. And like here, this one is really nice. Just needs to be finished, you know, a couple bucks. $3, $5, something, I don't know. And then these are all just junk parts cars. But I can't talk.
And these would be what, a few bucks a piece, maybe?
$1 or $2 probably. Then over there, the build-ups I ain't went through yet.
Got a bunch of build-ups.
In die cast, and then behind you some die cast that I started doing it, and then Tim showed up. And then here's some build-up NASCARs, some other little stuff.
Oh, these parts.
Some die cast.
So these are the die cast.
Yeah.
And you got a whole bunch of models in the other room, don't you?
Yeah, that's all the good stuff. Factory sealed and sealed inside stuff.
Oh, hey, let's go look at the good stuff.
All right.
Small scale.
Semis.
Semi-trailers.
We were in the process of pricing everything, so it's kind of a mess.
We do have a bunch of stuff. You don't see these too often.
I just got it yesterday.
Pro Star.
Yeah. I think that's just a trailer.
It's a good kit right there.
Yeah, that came out of my personal collection.
Ah.
My wife said I had to liquidate. And then foreign cars. And more foreign cars. And then race cars.
Getting them all priced.
Working on it. We got a little bit of something for everybody. And then these are road race cars. These are cool, man. I just built one of those that was started that I got from this collection. Awesome. Then these motorcycles. And look what here. You ever seen, how was the last time you saw one of those? Husqvarna motorcycles.
Oh, wow.
That's cool, ain't it?
That is neat.
And then more motorcycles. More road race cars. More road race cars. And we got a Ken Miles and a, what's his name? I can't think of it. The dude that built the Cobras. Shelby.
Shelby?
Yep. We got a stack of wheelies here.
Hold on, I ain't even got to the Shelby yet.
Oh, it's right here.
Alright.
And then these are some, I don't know, resin, 3D printed, I don't know. Like road race chaparrals or whatever they call them. Then your stack of wheelies. And then a bunch of drag cars.
The old Ram Charger kits. Those are starting to dry up too. You don't see them too often.
Well, good, because we need some. Funny cars. Pro stocks. Altered wheelbase. Then we got a...
Hold on, I'm still on. I'm just now up here.
You go slow so you can actually see. That's one of the compliments that you get for your videos, is you go slow enough to see details.
I think Terry just done drinking a Mountain Dew.
No, I don't drink Mountain Dew. It's bad for me. Doctor says I can't.
That's a neat old kit too.
What's that?
The Camaro. It's got a wonderful, I think, 2 decal sheets.
Yeah, I got one at home.
What you got here?
Well, it even has the Elvira figure.
Oh yeah?
Yep, sealed inside.
Wow.
There she is.
There she is.
Yep. The way I understand it, that's hard to come by.
Everyone takes the figure.
And here's the short track cars.
Go figure. Short track cars.
Yep. Well, I kind of threw the midgets in there. I think them are short track cars. I'm not 100% sure.
Close enough.
Or those considered cars.
You don't see them either anymore.
What's
the
that?
midgets.
Yeah, I got a couple.
And they got nice trailers.
Yeah, I haven't checked them yet to see if the trailers have. They haven't got that far yet. ASA cars, them are hard to come by.
Yeah.
I think one of the sprint cars there is missing.
Alright, bunch of NASCAR stuff.
It was in the collections, the only reason I got it. This NASCAR stuff don't sell very good.
Yeah.
Large scale?
Hey, you price it right. These trucks, people have been looking for them trucks.
Oh yeah, these especially. These two.
Yeah.
These are pretty common, but these two, way I understand it, are pretty. And the A&T trucks make really super nice parts cars.
Yep.
For parts.
Another one.
Large scale.
What's this?
It's a Christie fire truck. Steam fire truck.
With your chair.
I think it's cool.
Well, I think it's big.
It is. It's huge. She bought that, but she decided she wasn't going to build it.
Okay.
And then we
And
got
I see some Camaros.
large scale Camaros.
You guys have been asking me where to get some of these. Here you go. What you got on them Camaros? How much?
75.
75 bucks. That's cheap.
And then we got a big T. Or
They're on eBay for about twice that.
really.
Yeah.
And then we got some 57 Thunderbirds.
That's what people are telling me.
I don't know. I can't afford them.
All right. Pickup trucks.
Because at our last sale, people were like, "Where's the pickup trucks?" Well, we got them now. Got some Mobius wreckers.
That's a hot kit.
Got an Foose truck. Some stuff's factory sealed. Some stuff's. Let me find one.
Beverly Hillbillies kit. People have been looking for that. That's a good kit.
Well, of course, I get one that's not sealed. They're either factory sealed or sealed inside, most of them. And what's not, we went through them and checked for parts, make sure everything's there. Got some ramp trucks if anybody wants one of them. Got some of these F-60s. They're nice.
The old ramp truck. Ah, the Mobius wrecker.
Got some Blazers. Oh, sorry, you ain't there yet.
Nope, I'm just right here. You're like 3 rows in front of me.
Sorry.
You're all right. I'm just going slow so everyone can see what they want.
Yeah, man.
Now, what happens if they can't make it to this address?
Whatever's left.
Whatever's left's going on our website. Or if you want something before the sale, give me a call.
Okay.
And I'll pull it for you.
So you do mail order.
Yep.
All right. You got a Facebook page and a website.
Yep. Website's stsdecals.com. But it's not on our website yet until after the sale. And somebody needs to buy some yellow dualies. I bought too many of those by accident. I clicked the button twice.
So how much are the dualies? Like $5 a piece? No. Oh, 25. Okay. I'm just teasing.
It's cheaper than retail.
I'm just teasing. They aren't $5 a piece.
Got some of the Mobius custom 4x4s.
Cool kit with the motorcycle. We got a bunch of old stuff behind me I'm getting ready to go through too.
We got some here too.
Oh, getting ready to come up with a bunch of old stuff?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, nah, I don't know what you consider old. Mobius Novas.
A couple stacks of Novas.
Them are nice. Those are nice.
And we got some more stuff here.
This is the Chevrolet department.
Well, it just keeps going and going.
I think this one, this vet agent, or however you say it, I think it's got like extra. See, it's got a Grand Sport body in it. It's got all kinds of cool stuff. I don't even know what's in here. I haven't went through it yet.
Okay.
There's some, because this dude that we bought. Oh, this needs to come out and go in the small scale section. See, like this one, most of them are, like I said, factory sealed inside still.
Okay. Which kit is that? A small scale? All right.
Yeah,
Small scale
132nd.
impeller.
Impeller, right?
What scale is that?
132nd.
Okay. You guys are doing the USAC build. There you go.
I got 2 of those.
Oh, he's got 2 of them.
Might have more in here somewhere.
What?
Oh, there's 3. I got 3 of them.
Sedan.
So you can pick up one of the Revell 69 Camaros and join in on the USAC build. There's one.
Got some of the Stranger Things Camaros.
Yep.
We got a Trumpeteer Nova. I think this is a Porch Park. That needs to go into the other room.
Into the parts section.
Yeah, we're still going through.
Oh,
And then-
Trumpeter Nova.
Yep. Did a bunch of 48 Chevys.
Okay. You got all three of them.
The Mayor there, or Club Demore, whatever it's called.
That's an
I believe
original
that's
one.
Original from 56. We got
These are
shop
neat.
cars.
I like these kits. Those are
They are
cool.
yodels. It's something out of Europe. Very, very, very rare.
Yeah,
You've got
they-
them marked at 75, and that's about half of what they're worth,
Oh yeah.
if not less than that. Yeah. But people have never even like heard of this brand. There's a set of 5. We have 4 of the 5.
No, we got 5 and 6. There's 5 there. There's a set of 6.
Bunch of Pegasus wheels.
Pegasus wheels. Yeah, we got all kinds of different styles of wheels. And of course, there's going to be decals, and you can go back down the other side.
Go to the other side.
Yeah.
All right.
Dude,
Yeah,
I think
4
she said
are
they're
on
right
both sides
there.
of the table. Because mine has not rolled on.
It's a great kit for $20.
I personally do not.
Great kit. I love that kit.
A good price.
Oh yeah. Real good price.
I think that was like missing the tires, but that's normal.
A lot of people are looking for that.
There it is.
Hot Rod Lincoln.
Sealed inside, baby.
Sealed inside.
Let's see.
It's a good kit. I have people ask me, they watch mine that I built on my channel, and they always ask me,
These are cool
where can you
cars.
get one? Oh yeah, the Revell 32.
And the testers cars are really cool.
Yeah.
At least I like them. One of the 49 Mercury's in flat box. First ones that came out.
Oh, the old flat box, yeah.
That's probably factory sealed inside too.
The old flat box. Yep. Wonderful decal sheet. One of my favorite decal sheets. I sometimes buy them just for the decal sheet.
I know a guy.
You know a guy? That's got great pinstriping.
I do pinstripes. And there's your Dodges and Plymouths. Got a Johann Rambler wagon up there.
Open that Rambler wagon. I haven't seen one of them in a while. Yep, the old green glass.
Steel sealed.
Yep.
Yep. That's a nice one.
Yeah, that is.
Said I'm selling stuff I can't afford.
Well, and you can't keep it all.
I think I got one somewhere. And then there's one of them Polar Lights pre-painted cars. Them are kind of cool for like a quickie build.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, it's black.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
They're a lot bigger than mine. It holds so much more because they're not limited.
Got Buicks. Alright, Pontiacs. It's a good kit. That builds up nice.
Which one?
The 68 Firebird.
I don't know if that's a price. I haven't went through these yet.
You haven't gone through these yet?
No.
Getting ready to price them all?
Yeah.
The old Fiero.
Yeah, them just came back out.
Yep.
I got 2 of them.
Those are
Three
new
of
ones
them.
that just came out?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got 3 of them. Sorry, my bad.
Well, that's a good price, 25
And
bucks.
then you got Avantes and Oldsmobile. And then you got a couple Cadillacs.
What you got there? Okay.
Johann Ambly, it's got everything in it, man, except for the gold cup. Everything's there. One of the guys from Atomic City looked at it. He said it's all complete except for that little gold cup thing that comes with it. The stretcher and everything's there, I think. I think that's what. Yeah, there's no. Let's see. Yeah, the stretcher and everything's in there. I think. So here's the glass. Whoops. There's the tires. Suspension, engine. I think, yeah, there's the stretcher. It's on the chrome tree. Yeah. I think it's all there. Yep.
Okay.
Tires are bagged so they don't burn the plastic. I mean, we got a good price on this too, man. I think what we have on this, $1.50. And then this is eyeballs, you know, show rods and whatever you want to call them. Got some Jimmy Flintstone bodies here.
More Fords. Looks like you're getting things priced, huh?
We're trying. Oh, man. Oh, too old for this crap. Remember when them 33s were the hot thing, man, because they had this tilt steering column and all the goodies in them.
Yeah.
Now this Amigo pack, I don't know if it has a Hot Wheel in it or not. It doesn't look like it does. But everything else is there, still sealed. We got quite a few of these. Except she got them priced at different prices.
More of the hot rods. I love that kit.
Then we got American Graffiti car. And then a bunch of the 32s.
You do have a bunch of them.
You know, we get stuff cheap. Cheap enough to resell it and make money. You know. Got a couple tractors. And I think that's everything.
Is that everything?
I believe it. Well, except for, you know, decals and, you know, the kind of normal
Yeah,
stuff
we're
that
going
we
to set
sell.
up all of our decals, and there'll be some yard sale stuff. And
Cake decorating stuff.
I may make
Cake.
blueberry muffins for breakfast and make some sort of soup for
Man,
lunch.
blueberry muffins.
Yes, sir.
Bribing people, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the way to do it. Two display cases.
Oh, I forgot.
Some more parts kits.
Yeah, I mean, that's just parts, like literally, that's all that's in there.